Hey guys, Chef Christian here, just in time to save you from your summer endeavors. I'm sure you've reached this video by probably Googling like, how do I grill salmon without it breaking into a million pieces and like sticking to my grill and making a huge mess on my barbecue. Well, you came to the right place. I'm gonna show you a simple technique that will have you grilling salmon without the salmon falling apart. And not only that, it's actually gonna taste better than when you do it the normal way. All right, so stay tuned and check this out. Alright guys, let's get to it. I'm really excited about showing you this because I think this is really going to help a lot of you get back out there and grill some salmon, which is beautiful on the grill. Like I said before, this is going to keep it from sticking to the grill. So this is all the stuff that we're going to need. So we're going to need some lemons. I'm actually giving you two different options. You can either use lemons or you can use an onion. Okay, so I'm giving you a couple of options here. Make your life easy. I have my salmon wrapped up in paper towel. And a little bonus that I always like to put on my salmon fillets, this is a red pesto. Okay, and where do you find red pesto? Anytime you go to a grocery store and you can find green pesto, it's likely that you can find red pesto, which is made of sun-dried tomatoes, and this goes perfect with salmon. Alright, so first I'm going to prep my salmon here. So here we go. Look how nice this salmon is. This is Scottish salmon. Okay, so I got my little spoon here. I'm gonna pop my jar of red pesto, and here we go. Just put a little layer of red pesto on each piece of salmon. And this is a little bit sweet, it's savory, it's garlicky, it's heartwarming. Trust me, you will never go back to eating salmon by itself or just with salt and pepper. This was made for salmon. Okay, so now we have our salmon with our sun-dried tomato pesto. Let's get this off to the side here. Now, we're going to slice some lemons. Alright, so you cut slices, just like this. Alright, these go on a plate. And now I got my onion, and I sort of want to know what size the onion is. Okay, if it's at least as thick as my salmon fillet, it's gonna work. Alright, you'll see why when we get to the grill. Yeah, and I changed knives because that other knife was a joke. Alright, so cut the top off. Alright, I usually make a little tiny thin slit here just so I can take off the paper. Alright, so now you make some nice slices. Just like that. Okay, put them on a plate, and now let's take this to the grill. So you're outside on your grill now, and you've preheated it to 400 degrees. These, by the way, are grill grates. I'm gonna give them a shout out in the video description below. These are like airplane grade aluminum. They keep your food from burning, and they kind of act as a heat sink, and they're just the best grilling grates that seriously I've ever bought. And I'm not saying this because I have any affiliation with grill grates. I just think they are great grills, or great grates. Okay, so anyways, alright, so here we go. So this is how we're gonna do this. Option number one is you want to put some onions down on the grill, just like that. And we're gonna put our salmon right on top of the onions. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing right behind them with the lemons. But just as long as they form a base to put your salmon on. Okay, so put these on here. Now this is how you keep your salmon from sticking to those grills. Alright, so just close it up, and in a few minutes you will have perfect salmon that'll actually come off the grill in one piece. Alright, so check this out. I'm gonna pick this guy up by the onions. Look how easy that just slides right off the grill. When's the last time that you took a piece of salmon off the grill and the whole thing stayed together? This is a really good tip, isn't it? Now I'm gonna do the same thing with this guy here with the lemons. Look at that, it comes right off the grill, no problems whatsoever. And we're gonna slide this one onto the plate. Alright guys, and that's how easy it is to get salmon off the grill. Look at this, perfectly cooked salmon, still held together, and it tastes great with that sun-dried tomato pesto. Alright, now these will slide right off of these lemons here, just like that, and the other ones will slide right off the onions. Okay, there we go. And there you have it, perfectly cooked salmon that actually came off the grill. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please check out all the other videos on our channel, and please do not forget to subscribe. Your subscriptions help me make more videos. Oh man, I'm gonna eat some of this salmon. Look at this thing. Oh, look at that, perfectly cooked.